Have you ever looked at a clove and thought, this tiny spice could actually change your health? Most people keep cloves in their kitchen just for flavor. But what happens if you eat just 2 cloves every day for 7 days? The answer might surprise you, because inside this small bud is one of the most powerful natural compounds known for fighting bacteria, reducing inflammation, and supporting your body from the inside out. But before you start, there's something important you need to understand. This is not just about benefits. There are also risks if you use it the wrong way. So let's break it down clearly. What really happens to your body over the next 7 days? The real strength of cloves comes from a compound called eugenol. This is a natural oil with strong antibacterial, antifungal, and anti-inflammatory effects. It's the reason cloves have been used for centuries in traditional medicine. But cloves aren't just about one compound. They also contain vitamin K, manganese, fiber, and antioxidants that support digestion, circulation, and overall immunity. That's why something so small can have such a wide impact on your body. In the first couple of days, most people notice changes in digestion. Your stomach feels lighter, bloating may reduce. That's because cloves help stimulate digestive enzymes and reduce gas formation. If your digestion has been slow or uncomfortable, this is often the first improvement you feel. It's subtle but noticeable. By the 3rd or 4th day, the antibacterial effects become more obvious. Your breath feels fresher. Gum irritation may reduce. That's because cloves directly target bacteria in your mouth. This is also why clove oil has been used for toothaches for generations. It doesn't just mask the problem, it actively fights the cause. Around day 5, many people notice improved circulation. You may feel warmth in your hands and feet. By day 6, your immune system begins responding more strongly, especially if you've been dealing with mild cold or congestion. And by day 7, energy levels often feel more stable. Some people even notice reduced sugar cravings and clearer skin. When it comes to using cloves daily, the biggest mistake people make is thinking more is better. It's not. Cloves are extremely concentrated, and their strength comes from that potency. The safest and most effective approach is simple consistency over quantity. Just 2 cloves per day is enough to trigger noticeable changes in your body. You can chew them slowly to release their oils gradually, or soak them overnight in water and drink that water in the morning. What matters is how your body absorbs them. Chewing activates saliva and begins the digestive process early, while soaking reduces intensity and makes it gentler on your stomach. If you're new to cloves, start slowly. Your body needs time to adapt, because while cloves are natural, they are still powerful. Used correctly, they support your system. Used excessively, they can irritate it. Let's focus on digestion, because this is where cloves often show their first visible benefit. If you frequently feel bloated, heavy after meals, or uncomfortable in your stomach, cloves can act as a natural digestive activator. One of the simplest methods is clove tea. Take 3 cloves, boil them in water for about 5 minutes, and drink it warm after your meal. This helps stimulate digestive enzymes, which are essential for breaking down food efficiently. When your body produces enough enzymes, food doesn't sit in your stomach as long, and gas formation is reduced. Over a few days, you may notice that meals feel lighter and digestion becomes smoother. But the key here is timing after meals is when your digestive system needs support the most. Cloves may also play a supportive role in stabilizing blood sugar levels. This is especially important if you experience energy crashes, sugar cravings, or fluctuations throughout the day. One simple method is clove water. Soak 2 cloves in a glass of water overnight and drink it in the morning on an empty stomach. This allows the active compounds to infuse gently into the water. While this is not a cure for diabetes, it can help improve how your body responds to sugar. The compounds in cloves may support insulin sensitivity, which means your body uses sugar more efficiently. But this should always be seen as a supportive habit, not a replacement for medical treatment. For cold, cough, or throat irritation, cloves can be incredibly soothing. One of the most effective remedies is combining crushed cloves with honey. Honey coats the throat and reduces irritation, while cloves target bacteria and inflammation. Taking this mixture before sleep can help calm coughing and improve breathing during the night. Many people notice that their throat feels clearer and less irritated by the next morning. This is because cloves don't just mask symptoms, they actively work against the underlying cause. Cloves have been used for dental care for centuries, and there's a reason for that. They directly target bacteria in the mouth, which are responsible for bad breath, gum inflammation, and even tooth decay. If you have gum sensitivity or occasional tooth pain, a diluted clove oil mixture can be applied gently. It helps numb discomfort, while also reducing bacterial activity. Even chewing a single clove can freshen breath for hours because it neutralizes odor causing bacteria instead of just covering it up. For joint pain or stiffness, cloves can support circulation and reduce inflammation. A simple infused oil made with cloves can be massaged onto affected areas. When applied warm, it penetrates deeper into the muscles and joints, improving blood flow and reducing stiffness. Over time, this can lead to better mobility and less discomfort. Cloves also support circulation, which plays a key role in overall health. When blood flow improves, oxygen and nutrients reach your tissues more efficiently. This is why some people feel warmth in their hands and feet after regular use. Combining cloves with ginger enhances this effect, creating a natural warming drink that supports heart health and energy levels. Cloves can also influence your nervous system. Their natural compounds have mild calming effects, which can help reduce stress and mental tension. Inhaling steam infused with cloves allows these compounds to reach your system through breathing, promoting relaxation without medication. For sinus congestion, clove steam inhalation can be very effective. The warm steam opens airways while the antibacterial properties help reduce infection. Adding mint or eucalyptus enhances this effect, making breathing easier and reducing pressure in the head. Cloves have strong antifungal properties, making them useful for skin issues like fungal infections or athlete's foot. A cooled clove tea soak can be used regularly to help reduce infection and irritation naturally. For nausea or motion sickness, clove combined with lemon creates a soothing effect on the stomach. It helps stabilize digestion and reduce discomfort without causing drowsiness. For muscle pain or spasms, clove-infused oil works as a natural warming treatment. It helps relax tight muscles and improves recovery after strain or fatigue. Cloves may also support brain function by improving circulation. Better blood flow to the brain means better focus, clarity, and mental energy. When combined with nutrient-rich foods like walnuts, this effect becomes even stronger. Now, this is very important. Cloves are powerful and must be used carefully. Do not exceed 2 to 3 cloves per day. Higher amounts can irritate your stomach and cause discomfort. If you are taking blood-thinning medication, avoid cloves entirely, as they may increase bleeding risk. Pregnant or breastfeeding individuals should always consult a doctor before use. So what's the final takeaway? Cloves are not just a spice, they are a concentrated natural support system for your body. When used correctly and consistently, they can improve digestion, support immunity, and enhance overall well-being. But the real power lies in balance. Small daily habits, done correctly, create lasting results, and sometimes something as simple as 2 cloves a day can make a noticeable difference. Like, share, and subscribe for more natural health insights.